Let me ask you a question. What if I told you that the moment she rejected you was actually the moment you won? I know. It doesn't feel like a win. It feels like a punch in the gut. Like you just got benched in the fourth quarter of the championship game, after bringing snacks for the whole team. She said she's not interested. She said, let's just be friends. Or worse, she ghosted you without a single warning. But here's the twist. You don't need her to say yes. You just need her to wonder, did I make a mistake? In this video, I'm going to break down how to make her question everything after she's rejected you. Not by begging, not by showing off, not by trying to get her back, but by flipping the entire script and becoming the man she never saw coming. Let's go. Chapter 1. The rejection that changed everything. First of all, let's normalize rejection. It happens to all of us. I don't care if you're tall, rich, good-looking, or drive a car that makes airplane noises. Sometimes a woman just says no. Maybe she's not ready. Maybe she's talking to someone else. Maybe she doesn't see your value yet. The key word, yet. Because here's what most men do when they get rejected. They panic. They try to fix it. They start texting more. They start asking what went wrong. They start acting like a puppy that just wants to be petted again. And that's when she feels validated in her decision. But you're not most men. You're about to do something she never expected. Chapter 2. The shock of silence. You want to know what really shakes a woman up? Your silence. Not silence as a game, not silence as manipulation, but silence as power. Let me give you an example. Let's say she says, I think we're better off as friends. Most guys reply with, okay, I understand. I'll always care about you. I'm here if you change your mind. Do you know what she hears? Cool, I've got him in my back pocket. If things don't work out with Chad the gym bro, I can always go back to this guy. But when you go quiet, no reply, no emotional reaction, no last words. That silence creates a void. And guess what the human brain does with a void? It fills it with curiosity. She starts to wonder, why didn't he say anything? Is he mad? Did he move on that fast? Was he even serious about me? And that's when the mental rewind begins. She starts playing the highlight reel of your moments together, your kindness, your energy, your presence, and without even realizing it, she's questioning herself. Chapter 3. The unseen glow-up. Now that you've gone quiet, it's time to do what most men don't do. You evolve. I don't mean hitting the gym once and posting a flex pic with the caption, "New me." I'm talking about a real glow-up. Mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually. The best revenge isn't revenge at all. It's reinvention. Let her see you walking differently, talking differently, smiling like a man who knows he dodged a bullet. Start dressing sharper. Clean up your grooming. Smell good. Walk into rooms like you belong there. If you used to text her, "Good morning," now your mornings are filled with goals, gym, projects, growth. Let her wonder how you leveled up so fast, because when you improve quietly, the transformation speaks louder than any comeback ever could. Chapter 4. The social proof paradox. Now this part. This is where things get fun. When a woman rejects you, she often assumes that you're still emotionally stuck, that you're sitting there refreshing her Instagram stories, hoping for a crumb of attention. But what happens when she sees you smiling, thriving, surrounded by new energy? She doesn't say it out loud, but inside, her stomach drops, because now she realizes, wait a second, he's not stuck. He's moving, living, laughing, and there's a new girl in the background of that photo. Is that his friend? A date? A girlfriend? It doesn't even matter. What matters is, you're not where she left you. And when a woman sees that you didn't emotionally collapse after she rejected you, that bothers her, because she expected to be the center of your emotional universe. Now, you've replaced the universe entirely. Chapter 5. The I'm hard to replace. Energy. Here's a little-known secret about attraction. It's not always about being the best. It's about being the hardest to forget. The man who chases is forgettable. The man who begs is forgettable. The man who clings is forgettable. But the man who walks away with dignity and never looks back, that man haunts her thoughts, because he didn't give her the ending she expected. She thought she'd have closure, that she'd move on easily. But now she's left with an open loop. And open loops are powerful. They make people replay everything, rethink everything. Suddenly she's wondering, what if I made the wrong call? What if he really was different? What if I misjudged his value? And all because you stopped trying to prove it. Chapter 6. The no chasing rule. Let me make this crystal clear. Do not chase, even if you think she's the one. Even if you think she's just scared or confused or needs time. No, you gave her a clear opportunity. You expressed interest. You showed your hand like a man. She folded? Cool. Now you fold. Because chasing a woman who rejected you only makes her value drop. Fast. You become predictable, available, easy. And let me tell you, easy is not attractive after rejection. But disappearing, that's magnetic. Now she's the one checking your page. Now she's the one asking friends about you. Now she's the one stuck in the thought loop. And you're just out there, living. Chapter 7. The other woman factor. Let me introduce a little twist in the story. You meet someone else. She's sweet, she's kind, she adores you. Now your ex, the one who rejected you, sees this. Maybe online, maybe in person, maybe through the grapevine. And she thinks, wait, he's moved on? She won't show it. Oh no. She might even like your post to play it cool. Or hit you with the I'm happy for you message, which is basically emotional Morse code for I'm not happy for you, but I'm trying to act chill. Inside, she's spiraling, because now you're validated. Now someone else values what she threw away. Now her no has consequences. And the worst part for her, you don't even care anymore. Chapter 8. The emotional detachment level up. You want to truly become unforgettable. Detach emotionally, not with anger, not with hate, but with peace. Don't react to her stories. Don't respond to her breadcrumbs. Don't fall for the accidental likes or I was just thinking about you texts. You're not bitter, you're just better. And that makes her question everything. Because now you've become the rarest type of man, the one she can't manipulate anymore. Chapter 9. The I wouldn't take you back phase. Let's say, hypothetically, she starts to regret her decision. She texts you, wants to meet, says she misses you. You think, this is it, my moment. But then, you pause. Because in all this time, you've changed, you've grown, you've leveled up. And now you're looking at her like, wait, do I still want this? You're not the man who got rejected anymore. You're the man who transformed after it, and, ironically, that's the exact man she wanted all along. Chapter 10. The full circle moment. There's going to be a moment, maybe months later, maybe years. She's going to see something, a post, a photo, a mutual friend, and suddenly it hits her. You're no longer the man who wanted her. You're the man she wants now, but can't have. And that's when she questions everything. Why she let you go, why she didn't try harder, why she didn't see your value when it was standing right in front of her. But by then, it won't even matter, because you've moved on, you've grown, you've found peace. And in the end, That's what makes her regret it the most. Rejection is not the end, it's the beginning of a new version of you. One who doesn't chase love, but attracts it. One who doesn't beg for attention, but commands it. And the moment you stop proving your worth, they start realizing it. Let her wonder, let her question, let her regret. You just keep becoming the man she can't forget. And remember, you were never the one who lost. She just didn't see the value until it was too late. Now go out there, disappear like a ghost with a six-pack, and let her feel the silence louder than any words you could ever say.